So is it worth upgrading if you've already purchased the reMarkable 2 to the reMarkable 3, or what they're calling the reMarkable Paper Pro? In my honest opinion, I'd say no. Let's dig in. My personal reasons as to why I wouldn't upgrade to the reMarkable 3 is, for one, the increase in weight. While it is nice that you get the dimension size vertically being a bit bigger, as well as horizontally, you get a little bit more width with the reMarkable 3, I just don't like that weight trade-off. It feels more so like I'm holding a thin iPad as opposed to a lightly heavy sheet of paper when it comes to the reMarkable 2. This is really lightweight, and it gives you like a clipboard feeling when it comes to writing on it. And I find this to be way more attractive in that sense as opposed to the reMarkable 3. Secondly is, while it is nice to write in different colors and it'll make presenting diagrams and pictures that you draw out on this device, I don't find it necessary. I can accurately describe what I need to with a black and white drawing. It's not as detailed, but it gets to the point and it gets the job done. The writing experience on both of these is pretty solid. I do believe there were some enhancements to the screen display on the reMarkable 3, but honestly, in my opinion, I don't really notice the difference that much. That would convince me, oh, this is incredibly more better than the previous version. With the previous reMarkable 2, you're still getting a really nice paper-like writing experience, which is pretty nice. You may even notice that the reMarkable 3 is slightly thicker than the reMarkable 2. You get this more so boxier style design as opposed to the slim, rounded sort of brushed aluminum design on the previous model. But yeah, those are my reasons, folks. I don't think the changes made to the device are that significant, in my opinion, that would prompt me to upgrade from this device to the newer device. It's just not worth it in my opinion, though. I do have to say there is one feature that is really nice about the reMarkable 3 tablet that isn't present on the reMarkable 2, and that's the fact that the case that you can buy for it comes with a thought out design that allows you to securely carry around your pen when it comes to writing with stuff on the reMarkable 3. Previously with the reMarkable 2, if you were walking around and about with your tablet, it's easily for this pen to come loose and you might end up losing it, or it'll get shuffled around in your backpack. However, with this new case design, you have the ability to securely carry it around with the folio that you purchase. But yeah, folks, there you have it. Those are my thoughts. Definitely let me know down in the comments what reasons that you might have if you currently have a reMarkable 2 for upgrading to the reMarkable 3, if you do find that that differs from what I shared in this video, or if you could make better use of the features baked into the reMarkable 3. Also, there will be affiliate links down in the description if you're curious at checking out either one of these devices. As always, folks, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.